Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm doing what I'm calling my ultimate Amazon gift guide because I have a broad range of categories. I mostly wanted to do gifts for people that have everything. From that, it's like an umbrella of other things like Secret Santa gifts, white elephant gifts, gifts for co-workers, your mother-in-law, or someone who buys everything they want for themselves throughout the year. Today I'm going to be doing all of that and more. I'll have everything linked down below, including my Amazon shop where I've been doing different categories, and I have a whole tab for people that have everything. If you haven't watched my other gift guides, I have so many more ideas at different price points. I did stocking stuffers under 15, under 25, under 35, and under 50. Also, definitely check out my Instagram because I've been doing daily gift ideas from Amazon over there on like short form videos. So watch that if you haven't already. And I think that's everything I have to say. Let's get into it. I'm so excited for this because it's already one of the top selling items of December, and I've only posted about it on my Instagram and TikTok. A tabletop fire pit is what they call it, and all you need is rubbing alcohol and then you light it up. Someone asked me on Instagram if it smells like alcohol as it burns. No, it doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't smoke or anything like that. According to the brand, this is food safe, so you could, you know, roast s'mores or something. Secret Santa idea, white elephant. I think this is super fun. This is perfect for people that have everything. It's a printer. This one specifically is for full-size pictures, 4x6. You can either connect your phone right here or do it with an app via Bluetooth. It's so easy. The quality of this is actually pretty good. Last year I tried so many of these printers, and this one by far has like the best color quality. On sale right now for under $100. They also have a version if you like the smaller kind of like Polaroid style pictures. Okay guys, I'm so excited. This brand Bottle reached out to me. They sell on Amazon, and I was like yes, because I found two extremely unique bottles that will make the best gift for literally anyone in your life. They sell insulated cups and they have all kinds of sizes and styles. Basically, this is their magic bottle, so it's a 2-in-1. It comes like this, so it's nice and compact, and then it turns into a tumbler. It has the straw lid, or you can also just use this lid to close it, and then it converts into a can cooler. I love the fact that it's extremely compact. Once again, so unique. I feel like this could be a gift for anyone on your list. I also love the pastel colors they have. I mean, this ombre is gorgeous. This size, Olivia's actually using it. Her smoothie is in here as we speak. It's the perfect size for a toddler or a kid. It comes with the straw and it has a little handle, insulated, which is perfect. And then here is a bigger size that I am using right now to drink Diet Coke. You can find all these products on Amazon. They're prime shipping. They're extremely reasonably priced, not super expensive because the quality is truly amazing. They have so many colors. They truly have something for everyone. We've been using all of them ever since I got them in the mail. They come in these super pretty boxes that are so easy to wrap. If you don't know what to give to someone to bring it to a Secret Santa or a white elephant party, I think this is it. It seems from my TikTok research that shoes are on everyone's list, specifically the mini ones and the platform minis, and I found great alternatives from Amazon. These are the shorter version. They're kind of like the regular ones. They're by the same brand, and to me they run completely different. Got these in my true size 7. They fit perfectly. They're extremely comfortable. I would just look at the sizing guide, but to me they run true to size. These are my newest ones. I love a platform. These run big, probably size down a whole size, especially if you're gifting, but they are so darn cute. And if you were to ask me which ones I would get, like if I wasn't a YouTuber, I would probably go with the platforms and not have these at all. I needed to get a hot glue gun. Surprisingly, I've never owned one, and then I saw that they sell cordless ones that are just rechargeable, and this was 20 bucks. I think this is such a cool thing to own. Perfect to bring to like a white elephant party or like a favorite things party. Not super expensive, extremely useful. I actually saw on TikTok people are like, what? They have like cordless ones? I think that's just the way to do it. Beautiful box, perfect for gifting because it's basically packaged for you. It comes with this to protect the glass. I got the gin and tonic balloon glasses just because we have most glasses already that come in their sets. I think if I were to do it all over again, I would probably get the coupe glasses, the fluted ones. I think they're so pretty. Hear me out, this is the same situation as socks and as cleaning products. You might think getting a hairbrush for Christmas is super lame, especially if you're younger. They're called the Tangle Teezer hairbrush. Huge seller last year. It's incredible. Like, I feel like it doesn't grab my hair as much. This is a curly hair one, this is a dry hair one. They have a bunch of different ones, and these are about like $14 to $18. I used to think that was expensive for a hairbrush until I met this guy. This is a dupe for a hairbrush that is literally $300. Can you believe? Because what the heck. So this one is only $36. It's supposed to help when your scalp is really oily but your ends are dry, because it distributes that oil that your hair naturally produces to your ends. I feel like they're identical. All the reviews are saying the same thing. I just started using it, so I will let you guys know. But if you know someone that likes luxe things, especially when it comes to beauty, getting them this and not having to splurge on the real one might be a really good idea. I am obsessed with these vintage bookshelf games, board games. They're so aesthetically pleasing. They really thought of everything. Some of them, I have the Scrabble, Clue, and Monopoly. How cute. It comes with a little bag, detective notes. Like, they're so cute. I love that everything has a place. We have this little keychain holder that is actually under $20. It's $15, and it comes in a lot of different car make and models, so you have tons to choose from. It is so nice. It makes your car keys look so much prettier. It comes in black and green or white and gold, and I love the gold. I think this is so nice and unique for a holiday gift or a stocking stuffer. Get all three for under $200. I think I got it for $180, and they also sell the pieces individually. This is probably all the luggage I would ever need, because I have my smaller carry-on, then 2 check bags depending on where I'm going and how long. Split this up into different gifts. I think the pricing is really good. I looked at so many different listings, so many reviews. These were by far the best price, the best quality, and do not worry, once I travel with them, I will update you. Amazon has really similar earmuffs for $16 in so many pretty colors, and they're faux fur. Anyone that has everything, because even if they already have some, you can get them a different color. Maybe they're going skiing this year, maybe they're moving somewhere cold. Super cute gift idea, very inexpensive. In the past few years, everyone and their mother has either gotten or wants the Dyson Airwrap. So if you know someone that already has it and you don't know what to get them, they're like one of those people that have everything. This organizer display thing is actually incredible. So useful to have, because the Dyson Airwrap comes with a bunch of pieces. It's kind of bulky. It's a pretty good gift if they already have it, or if they're getting it for Christmas. One of my favorite things to get on Amazon are nail kits to do DIY nails at home. As you know, I like to do fake nails because I have pretty short nails, but on my toes or when I have longer nails, I do use gel polish. So they sell really cool gel polish kits that come with the light, but everything you would need to do your nails at home. Another thing that I highly recommend for people that have everything, I've given this to my mom, to my grandma in the past. This is an electric nail filer. It comes with different heads. Even for men, this would be a great gift. Obviously, you can get them a more neutral one, but they're $20 and they're so incredibly useful. In an effort not to be super repetitive, I wanted to share some things I've already talked about on my channel and recommended in my other gift guides, so watch those if you haven't already. Starting off with something I think would be great for literally anyone in your life, and also for any white elephant, Secret Santa, gift exchange, or for coworkers, whatever. It's this couch cup holder that's silicone and it's weighted on both sides so it doesn't move around. It's a great price point. I believe it's like $38. It comes in different colors and I think anyone could like it. Another thing that everyone could like is this sunrise alarm clock. It has different features, light, different sounds to wake you up to. It even has like the radio. It's under $50 and it's a great dupe for the Hatch alarm clock that's very popular. These salt and pepper mills are under $35. I think they're a steal because they look so luxe. The colors are so fun. They have neutral ones, they have colorful pinks, teals, whatever. And for any like white elephant party, Secret Santa, because even if they already have some, these are such a cool addition. Another thing perfect for coworkers, under $30. I believe it's $26. This is an insulated lunch bag that has a crossbody strap. It has like a ton of different compartments. I think this is amazing. At this point, I've ordered 3 of them because I want to gift them to everyone. My mom is actually getting this from me for Christmas. This is a magnetic lint bin and brush set for the laundry room, for the dryer. It just collects all sorts of things in our laundry room. We cannot live without it anymore. 20 bucks. Great white elephant idea if you're doing something with like moms or, you know, people around that age group. Another one under 50 is this little vacuum. It comes with 3 separate heads that you can switch around. Amazing for everyday life. We use it so much in our kitchen. It's very unique. I feel like a lot of people don't own this and could benefit from having it. Even to have it on your desk, it's just a game changer, and everyone that I've gifted it to loves it. I could recommend this endlessly because I think it's one of the best things I purchased from Amazon this year. It's a rechargeable hands-free soap dispenser that you can put in the kitchen, in the bathrooms, whatever. It works so well. Battery lasts forever, and I promise you, if you bring this to a white elephant, everyone will try to steal it. My mom isn't one of those people who buy everything they want, but she's extremely difficult to gift to. She only likes pets, animals, like all kinds of animals. So obviously I'm not gonna give her another cat for Christmas. The other thing she likes is skincare, self-care. I gifted her 2 different kits for DIY like spa facials at home. This was one of them, and she actually uses it quite frequently and she loves it. I've used it too and I love it too. This one is specifically for like wrinkles and anti-aging. They also have one for acne, or they have one that comes with everything. Basically, it's a light that you can adjust the frequency of, and it helps with wrinkles or with whatever you're trying to target. I thought I would share with y'all if you're looking for like a more unique gift idea. This huge cake baking type kit that came with everything that's on the screen and more. This was such a steal. I feel like if I were to, I don't know, go to Hobby Lobby and individually purchase these, it would have been way more than $30. So it comes with a ton of tips, like literally all the tips you could ever need, scraping tools and things like that. These cute little molds, this sifter. I mean, I could go on and on. You can really see all of these. This turntable that I used to decorate Olivia's cake, even like little cupcake liners and things like that. These are disposable, but it also came with a few of these reusable ones, and then a bunch of things to decorate. I love it. I think it's such a good deal and perfect for the holidays. Grande Lash actually reached out and sent me this gift set, and it's so darn cute. But as y'all know, I have lash extensions, and I officially decided this is my last month getting them, just because the price really adds up. I kind of want to change the look. I hate getting them refilled, like it takes so long. So I'm going to be keeping this for myself is what I'm trying to say. So this set, I will link down below. It comes with the lash serum that I've used and loved, and I see results like after a month or 2. Then the brow travel size, this is an 8-week supply. This is 3 months, and then this is the same lash serum but the mini, like the 4-week supply. And then they have the liquid eyeliner and lash enhancing serum, which is cool. So yeah, this would be great for someone who is into beauty, self-care, makeup, or even if they're not, like it'd be cool to introduce them to something like this. I feel like step stools tend to be pretty tacky and ugly, just my opinion. This one is like more of like a bougie luxe one. I got it during Prime Day. We use it every day, multiple times a day, especially because I'm 4'11", and I feel like this would make the best gift for a mother-in-law or a mom if they like nicer things. It folds completely. You can either get the 3 steps one, or you can get the 2, and it comes in different metallic finishes. It's aluminum, it's easy to clean. It's just so nice. Mine is like the champagne-y color, but this is a great idea. I know, it's kind of lame, but I like gifting functional things. Sue me. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, definitely give it a big thumbs up. If you're looking for last minute gift ideas, almost all the gift guides that I've done are Prime shipping, so they might arrive before Christmas. If you're not watching this too late, you can always give them, you know, a handmade gift or something like that. I did a video last year doing kind of like experiences instead of gifts, so definitely watch that if you haven't already. And when in doubt, give them a gift card. When in doubt, a bottle of wine. I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.